Welcome to this video. I'm Petrosino, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your computer's IP address by adding a free VPN without any downloads. So please just follow along and complete these steps with me. So first go over to a different browser and you're going to type in whatismyipaddress.com. And this is going to show you your current IP address, and you want to take note of that. So you can see mine is right here. So the next thing you'll do is click on the Windows Start button, select Settings, select Network and Internet, click on VPN, and add VPN connection. Under the VPN provider dropdown, you'll click on Windows Built-in, and then add a connection name that you can recognize. Now go to your browser and you're going to type in vpnbook.com and select Free VPN. Now from here, if you scroll down on the left-hand side, you can see the different VPNs that you can use. So I will copy this and come back over to my settings and add the server name here by pasting it in. Now keep this VPN book page open. Under VPN type, you'll choose point-to-point tunneling protocol. The type of sign-in info you'll leave as username and password. To locate the username and password, you go back to the VPN book page. And right here at the bottom, you will see VPN book. You'll copy that. That is the username. Grab the password. Actually, that's not copyable, so we will just manually type it in. Click on Save. And now you can see my VPN is located right here. You can also locate your VPN under your Wi-Fi area by clicking here. And here you can see it right here, Lori VPN. So I'm going to click on that, click on Connect, and now I'm going to come back over to what is my IP address and refresh the page. Here you can see my IP address has changed, and whenever you want to connect to your new VPN, you'll come down to your Wi-Fi area and you'll choose the VPN that you created. Hey there, Lori here. So in searching for free VPNs, I really did a lot of extensive research, and there's not a lot of good ones. Most of them are 30-day free trial, which is good, but eventually you will have to pay for it. I mean, I think it's a great thing to have for hiding your IP address if there's certain sites that you want to visit, and those sites won't let you in if you live in a certain country. So ProtonVPN seems to be really good. The free version, they do have a completely free version, but you can only get 3 specific countries. I don't know what countries those are, but the $4 a month version seems to be, I think this is a great deal. You get 50 countries, get high speed. So if you click on Get Basic, and you just go through, let me just see here. Yeah, you can buy it annually, and that's easy enough because you only pay for it one time, 48 bucks. That's it, you're done. So I don't have I don't have this. I use TorGuard, and so basically what you'd have to do with this is just follow the prompts once you purchase. It's really pretty easy. They'll give you a download link. You'll click on the download. You'll download it to your computer. The best way to do that is download it to your desktop, so you can find it easily. Then when you click on the desktop link, once you've installed it, I mean, this is a simple download. You will then follow the setup procedures to install it to your computer. And from there, they should be tutorials, but it's really easy. You just choose the country that you want and you click on it every time you want to change your IP address. And then you can log into any site you want. It's really pretty easy. And if you go to Google, you can find tutorials on how to do that. I don't have this one in particular, so I can't show you the exact steps, but that's it. That's how you do it. You just, you'll get an email and they'll give you the download link, and you just install it to your computer, save it to your desktop, open it, set it up, and click on the country that you want, and then it'll connect you, and then that's it. Super easy. I know you can do it. All right, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon.